Hello guys, I have this washing machine. It's quite old, maybe 10 years or more, but it's still working perfectly. Everything works, heating works, this, how to say, centrifuging works. Everything works perfect. Just one thing was happening, that it starts to get bad smell. After you wash, clothes have bad smell. And how I have fixed that problem. I have bought something like this, something for better smell and to clean washing machine. And how I done? First thing, what I take out filter. Yes, and you must prepare some to catch all water. Now now smell is quite good, but the first time when I was open, it was here it's quite dark water, and here was some hairs or something like that, and it was bad smell from this. So I have disassembled it, have cleaned in fresh water with soap like this. You can take it in part, and again it's 1 week I using, it's again coming some hairs, so maybe it's need again to wash a little bit. And as you can see, inside there is something black, not black but some, and those I think is coming this smell from there. How I have done, I put this one in here. I set 95 degrees washing and start to wash alone without any clothes, nothing. And also what I have put, I put vinegar, this normal food vinegar. I put, I don't know, not half liter but less, let's say 250 milligrams. It was very strong smell, but after this wash with 95 degrees I washed once more, and the smell is quite good. But most important, this bad smell disappeared. So like this. Or this filter you must open, I don't know how much time. I have used this washing machine 1 week, and it comes some hairs. So once per month it would be nice that you open, and it's like a regular service what you can do. And here I see it's also quite many dark things, and many is inside these hoses which we cannot see without disassembling it. So as many regular cleaning we made, less is inside. But mostly, like before, I was never cleaning here. I never used like something like that. So sometime must use, or to be problem solved, just throw away this machine and buy new one, and you're gonna 10 years gonna be okay, no problem. So MIELE Novatronic W3660, until it works perfect, is I don't want to throw it away, but we will see. But now this smell disappears, and I'm gonna try use it. See you later.